everybody, and this is back, and this is Magic Thomas. First things first, we have a regular quarter. Now watch this. I'm just going to make it go through my arm and out the other. Ready? Watch. Just let me. Okay, now watch. Just going to take it. See? Just going to go up my sleeve. Ooh. Okay. And then pop. There's the quarter. Now, you're probably thinking there's 2 quarters. Nope, just 1 quarter. Now, the thing I did is that like I showed you the coin vanish. You want to put your fingers in, you want to put the quarter in there, and slip it out. There's nothing in here. They think it's in here, but you just want to close your hand, go like this, keep it just like natural. Go like here, just coming up, then it pops out, and then that's how you do it. That is the coin through arm over to the other hand. That is a simple trick.